Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm back here at Foothill Oak Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Roadrunners. Just had another amazing after-school assembly with the AM, PM students and staff right here in the MPR. And the focus for today's program was to revisit the topic of respect. The sub-theme was "We are all miracles." Something I bring up at every assembly with the lines on our hand, right? Because it's so important. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it. Have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down, W's for worthy. Just like the front of my shirt, the one I wear for this presentation, says miracle as well. And we also know that, part of this topic is to choose kindness, right? We always have this ability and the conscious choice that we can make each and every day to not just respect ourselves and others, but property, our school grounds, our home, where we live, our community, to take care of this planet too. And I think the students really got that today. It's a message that is so vital in today's world. And when we're talking about this idea of respect, of course we have to have the self-respect first and the self-love first before we can go and give it out to someone else. But the different videos that we played talking about a bully versus an upstander, like the whale and shark, right? Or the plants that were also affected by bullying, by mean words, living creatures, and all of us are living creatures, human beings. So we know that our words and actions matter, right? Some of the heartfelt stories I shared too about some kids their age in pain, some really mean things that were said to someone else that left heart marks, heart bruises on that person's heart. And those are basically bruises that we can't see, right? We can only feel those. And sometimes they actually take longer to heal than the ones on the outside, right? The black and blue colors. And if we're able to show kindness to someone else, it erases heart marks on ourselves because it feels good to show that love and compassion. And conversely too, if somebody does something nice for us, right, then it helps to heal that heart as well and erase some of those marks. So that's what I'm really trying to impart on them, is the idea that just a few seconds, what we say, what we do, can maybe stay on someone's brain, inside of them in a negative way for the rest of their life, or it could be positive, right? And that choice is ours. So we always hope that we choose respect, right? That we know that true happiness comes from helping others, right? And the more good deeds that we do, the more kindness that we give, usually the more that we're going to receive. And that was with the respect rap that we did, the respect full rap, that we show kindness here at school because it's cool, right? And who do we respect? We respect me, ourselves, we respect others too. And then we start to see things change here for this planet. So thanks for touching my heart. I'll be back for one more visit in May for this school year. Until then though, have a great next few months and try to implement some of these life lessons that we talked about today. As always too, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.